Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Come here.
I dey look for Mr. Kule.
Mr. Kule. Yes. It's not around. But anything.
If you get person I want to teach.
Oh, are you the English teacher?
Now me now.
Okay, come.
Thank you. You want to say you don't know me?
No, sir.
Now me be West John. West John. You never hear that name before? Any market women make you see for road, you ask them. They will show you my house.
Excuse me. You mean you also teach in the market?
I not talk like that. I say me if you see any market women, you go ask them. They know me. Nobody will not know me. Today now, if I teach you today, if I teach you something today, you know say the kind English when you go to speak for outside, you know say that person I come meet you one-on-one. Now me be the first barrister when I first graduate for this Benin, for this Benin as a big rich. Now me be the first barrister when I first graduate. Now 2 tests, now I graduate, but my result never come out. It will come out next week. Don't worry, your problem go over today. You know say that person I come. Today now when you look how to pronounce, more first look how to pronounce first. First of all, open your boxes. Open your boxes.
Excuse me. You said what?
I said open your boxes.
What is buses?
Okay, now let you be boxing. Where do you take the right?
Book and pen.
I don't know. Now you call a book and pen. Open your boxes.
Oh, you mean book?
Now you know. Today now, we want to look how to spell and pronounce. The first thing we get for you, and you'll be like, say, this thing they confuse people well. For example, say, your party austere. If you want to tell person, the read English in mass. If you want to tell person, say, your party austere, for the read English in mass. As you want to tell the person.
Excuse me, sir. What is the real English in mass?
Okay. Now the mass, that they confuse you. You don't forget the mass. If you want to tell person, say, your party austere. As you want to tell her, for the read English in mass.
You
Forget
mean,
about the mass.
You mean if I want to tell somebody that my dad is on stage?
Who tell you that one? Who tell you that one? Who they tell you all this thing? Who they teach you all this thing? My dad is on stage. That one they dictionary. Talk about say what the one that for Bible. In case next time, I repeat, in case next time, if you want to a person say your dad is here. You go say when you are you say Sama, Ama, my dad is in Austin. That in you must make sure say you put any word in because now that in now they transfer the eye they go without that in that eye you not go get level now that eye will conquer the main invoice. You make sure say you put that in. My dad is in Austin. Talk on my look.
Sorry, I can't say that.
You learn how to pronounce it today. Now me there, don't worry. Just try. My dad. You say my dad.
My dad.
My dad, okay again.
My dad.
You go be like say your tongue and they don't cut and come out. Now half now call remain. You say my dad.
My dad.
Talk again, my dad.
My dad.
My dad.
My dad.
Thank God say you don't know that one. Now you know easy. Book easy. You know book you're easy well. Now you know if you don't put your mind, you will know this book. Thank God say you don't know that one now. My marker. So you know say that the truth. Okay, if you dey inside post now, and conductor dey owe you change, and he never give you that change, you want tell the conductor say, conductor, abeg, give me my change. As you want to tell the conductor for the real English in mass.
Okay, I'll simply say, conductor, please give me my change.
Oh God, who dey teach you all this thing? You know the correct. When did the conductor give him a change? You know say that word is not good for math. You know say not sweet you. Because you forget the that not there. That must be there. Any word make the talk for life. You make sure say that you put that in. Now you go to transfer the I they go. Now you come make the I get inverse. You know what it be inverse? Don't worry, sir. Before I convert, you know the difference. Oh God. Let me just where you finish. In case next time In case next time, if you want to come, conductor, please give me my exchange. You know, she say I put that in. You know, she say I put that in. That in must there any word make the talk. If you want me pass your jam, your work, you make sure say that in must there. People that say teacher will give you question, you not write anything, you not put in. That in must there. I'm not gonna tell you again. In case next time, conductor, please give me my exchange. Thank God say you don't know that one, huh? Don't worry, you don't see that person I meet you today. I'm Markham. The third lemon get for you, you'll be like say, you dey waka for road, this thing dey always dey happen to people. You yourself, you even know. You know the waka they go. One boy, you come, you collect your bag. You just run come out. And you call the cry, my bag, oh. One woman call they come for road. Say, wetin dey beat you? You want tell the woman, say, the boy collect your bag. As you want to tell the woman. For the real English in mass.
Okay, I will say, Auntie, someone collected my bag, but I don't know if it's a thief.
God, thank you. Biko. Someone collected my bag. That one did dictionary. You forget the in. Remember, the in is very important. The in is very important. In case next time, if you want to tell the person, say, person collect your bag. For the real English in mass. I repeat, for the real English in mass. Ma'am. Someone ma'am. You don't see the way I test that. Someone ma'am. Someone you collected my in bag in me. You know to say I put
what are you even teaching? Your English is wrong. And you're not even well dressed. Your English in mass. The in. The English in mass. In short, you need to be brushed up. Jesus Christ. You want to kill me before my time. You are telling me we are improving. Improving on what? I'm not learning again. Jesus. It's nonsense.
Wait. Now because I can't teach you.
Wait.
You not going to learn English in mass again. Hi. Wow. This is called imbalance. A little kid insulted barrister Amamiaou. The first man that graduated in Benin. But no result.